Hello Brain Sprouts family! Robbie here, and today we're unlocking one of the greatest math superpowers, long division. Now you might be thinking, whoa Robbie, that sounds hard, but don't worry, I'll show you step by step and you'll see it's not scary at all. In fact, it's kind of fun, like solving a puzzle. What is long division? Division we've done so far works with small numbers, but what about big numbers? That's where long division comes in. It's a special step-by-step way to divide, no matter how long the number is. Think of long division as a superhero team with 4 moves. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. DMSB, easy to remember like dance steps. Example 1. Easy long division. Let's start simple. 84 divided by 4. Step 1. Look at the first digit, 8. How many 4s fit into 8 equals to 2. Step 2. Write 2 on top, then multiply. 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. Subtract, and we get 0. Step 3. Bring down the next digit, 4. Now divide 4 by 4, which equals to 1. Final answer, 84 divided by 4 equals to 21. See? Not so bad. Example 2. Bigger number. Now let's try 196 divided by 7. Step 1. 7 goes into 196. 19 2 times 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14. Subtract 5 left. Step 2. Bring down the 6, making 56. Step 3. 7 goes into 56, exactly 8 times. Final answer, 196 divided by 7 equals to 28. Boom! You just divided a 3-digit number. Example 3. With a remainder. Now let's try 155 divided by 6. Step 1. 6 goes into 155 15 2 times. 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. Subtract 3 left. Step 2. Bring down the 5, making 35. Step 3. 6 goes into 35. 5 times 5 multiplied by 6 equals to 30. Subtract 5 left. Final answer, 155 divided by 6 equals to 25, remainder 5. So long division works even when the answer doesn't come out perfectly. Minigame, solve with me. Okay Brain Sprouts, your turn. Let's solve 432 divided by 3 together. Step 1. 3 goes into 4 once. Write 1. Subtract 1 left. Step 2. Bring down the 3, making 13. 3 goes into 13 4 times. Subtract 1 left. Step 3. Bring down the 2, making 12. 3 goes into 12 4 times. Answer, 432 divided by 3 equals to 144. Did you get it? Awesome job! Real life connections. Long division isn't just math on paper, it's everywhere. If you have 432 candies and share them equally among 3 classes, each class gets 144 candies. If a football league has 196 players and 7 teams, each team gets 28 players. If a game gives you 155 coins to split between 6 friends, each friend gets 25 coins and 5 coins are left over. See? Long division helps us organise and share in real life. Quick challenge. Pause and solve. Now it's your turn again. Try these in your head or on paper. 72 divided by 3 equals 2. 128 divided by 4 equals 2. 225 divided by 5 equals 2. Pause for a few seconds. Answers, 72 divided by 3 equals to 24. 128 divided by 4 equals to 32. 225 divided by 5 equals to 45. High five if you got them. Assignment. Homework. Time. Now it's time for your assignment, Brain Sprouts. Solve these problems step by step using long division. 143 divided by 7 equals 2. 169 divided by 8 equals 2. 324 divided by 6 equals 2. 437 divided by 5 equals 2. 512 divided by 9 equals 2. Extra challenge. Make up your own long division word problem, maybe about pizza slices, toys, or even a video game score, and solve it. Write your answers in your notebook or share them in the YouTube comments so I can check your awesome work. Alright Brain Sprouts, keep growing, keep learning, and keep dividing like superheroes. Next time on Brain Sprouts, we'll take on fraction solving real life situations step by step. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Brain Sprouts adventure.